This beautiful creature is Amphioctopus marginatus, the magnificent veined octopus of Indonesia.
God, that tastes awful. Always remember, pick up my feet, just like my
Despite what it looks like, he is not looking for food. Like most octopi, marginatus is a nocturnal predator.
Gary's always telling me about my dietary habits.
As he glides gently across the sandy bottom, he is undertaking a very different job.
Excuse me.
Marginatus is building a bunker.
Well, quite comfy under here.
Scientists first described this behavior in 2009, when they observed vein octopi using empty coconuts as temporary shelter. The first instance of tool using documented in cephalopods.
Well, better get a move on.
It's an awkward task for the octopus as he attempts to tuck the shells beneath his tiny tentacles.
This is heavy. I knew any sort of workout regime would help out with this war. Oh, good. So, all I have to do is just put these to... Oh, wait a minute. There's a third. Get into it, settlings. Oh, God, this is... Yes, there we go. Oh, no. George, goodness gracious. Gosh darn equilibrium. Tripping over all myself, losing a sense of balance.
So nicknamed the coconut octopus, marginatus has been known to carry its newly acquired pop tent up to 20 meters. This one is still waiting to be found in a 36-day round of hide and seek with this diver.
I can't remember the last time I was so comfortable.